Do you have the same experience as me, where you need to wait in front of the printer to change the plate many times before you can continue the next printing job? Until I used this automatic part changing kit, I just need to set the files to be printed, and then I can do what I want. Sleep, drink coffee, or do anything else I want. When the printer completes the first printing task, the kit will automatically change the plate to complete your subsequent continuous printing tasks, achieving unattended and continuous printing. Our kit pull wire is made of durable steel wire rope. After obtaining the kit, you can proceed with the installation according to the following steps. Our kit pull wire is made of durable steel wire rope. After thousands of tests, the success rate of real replacement can reach 99%. If you also have the trouble of manually changing the plate, we strongly recommend you to try our automatic plate changing kit to help you save time in changing plates, help you achieve unattended operation, and improve printing efficiency. If you need a kit, you can contact me. If you need an STL file, you can still contact me. We will attach complete spare parts and detailed installation procedures.